How to add Chase card to digital wallet. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can add Chase card to digital wallet. In order to do it so, first thing first, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service and make sure that you already have an online bank account of Chase Bank. First of all, log into your account. After you're logged into your account, you'll be directed or taken to the home page. And once you're on this page, tap on the credit card that you wish to add it to your digital wallet. After that, swipe up to account services and tap on the digital wallet. You can also add a debit card in the same way by tapping on the checking account. So right on this page, you'll be able to see the digital wallet where you can actually link your bank account or your credit card. Tap on the wallet you'd like to add your card to. After that, you'll see the Chase card available to add any card you've already set up. So depending on the wallet, you may have to accept the terms and conditions. And in this way, you've successfully added your Chase card to digital wallet. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.